Hi students, if you like this video, please subscribe and share it. Don't forget to like it. Okay, now I am going on JEE Mains 2020 September 2 online paper, Shift 2 paper. Okay, now here find the imaginary part of 3 plus 2 into square root of minus 54 power 1 by 2 minus 3 minus 2 into square root of minus 54 power 1 by 2. Okay, now we are first to find square root of this one. Square root of 3 plus 2 into square root of minus 54 is equal to plus or minus x plus iy. Okay, now here minus means now here minus, where x is equal to square root of a square plus b square plus a by 2, and also y is equal to square root of a square plus b square minus a by 2. Okay, now find x value. Square root of a square means 9 plus, now 4 into 54 square, 4 into 54, now 4 into 54 means 216. Okay, now plus a means plus 3 by 2, and also y is equal to square root of, now 9 plus 216 minus 3 by 2, now 225. Now 225 means 15, square root of 15 plus 3 by 2, and also y is equal to square root of 15 minus 3 by 2. Okay, now 18 by 2 means 9, root 9 is equal to 3, and here also y is equal to, now 12 by 2, now y is equal to root 6. Okay, x value 3, y value is root 6. Now is equal to plus or minus 3 plus I root 6. 3 plus I root 6. Okay, now similarly power of square root of 3 minus 2 into square root of minus 54 is equal to plus or minus 3 minus I root 6. 3 minus I root 6. Therefore, given expression value is now plus or minus 3 plus I root 6, 3 plus I root 6 minus plus or minus plus or minus 3 minus I root 6. Okay, now plus or minus 6 and also plus or minus 2 root 6, plus or minus 2 root 6. Now here only imaginary part of this one means, now imaginary part is equal to, now here plus or minus 2 root 6, plus or minus 2 root 6. Now here minus 2 root 6, one of the value are given, therefore option 2 is the correct one. Option 2 is the correct one. Next one, there are n stations in a circular path. 2 consecutive stations are connected by a blue line, and 2 non-consecutive stations are connected by red line. if number of red lines is equal to 99 times number of blue lines, then the value of n is, okay, now here n stations in a circular path, n stations, okay, n stations in a circular path. Okay, now here two consecutive stations are connected by blue line. Now here blue line, two consecutive stations are connected by blue line, and here also this one to this one, this one to this one. Next, two non-consecutive stations, this one, red line. Okay, now two non-consecutive stations are connected by red line. Okay, now here observe that now n sides of a polygon. Now diagonals means nc2 minus n. Okay, now two consecutive stations. Two consecutive stations is equal to n. Okay, two non-consecutive stations. Two non-consecutive stations is equal to nc2 minus n. Okay, n sides of a polygon is given. Now here diagonals means number of diagonals means nc2 minus n. Now according to condition, now number of red lines equal to 99 times of the number of blue lines. Now red lines means nc2 minus n. nc2 minus n is equal to 99 into n. Okay, now nc2, n into n minus 1 by 2 is equal to 100n. Okay, now by cross multiplication, n square minus n is equal to 200n. Now n square is equal to 201n. Now n is equal to 201. N equal to 201. Now option 1 is the correct one. Next one, if A, B, C are three pairwise independent events, now such that P of A intersection B intersection C equal to 0, then P of B bar intersection C bar by A equal to. Independent events means if A and B are independent events, P of A intersection B is equal to P of A into P of B. Then A and B are said to be independent events. Okay, now here P of B bar intersection C bar by A means, now according to conditional probability, P of B by A is equal to P of A intersection B by P of A. P of A intersection B by P of A. Now here P of A intersection B bar intersection C bar by P of A. P of A. Okay, now A intersection B bar intersection C bar. Okay, now P of A intersection B bar is equal to B bar intersection P of A bar intersection B bar is equal to P of A union B whole bar. Okay, now P of A intersection, now P of B union C whole bar by P of A. Okay, now P of A intersection B bar is equal to P of A minus P of A intersection B. Now A intersection B union C whole bar is equal to now P of A minus P of A intersection B union C. A intersection B union C by P of A. Now P of A intersection B means P of A minus P of A intersection B union A intersection C by P of A. Now according to addition theorem, P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. Now P of A minus P of A minus P of A intersection B plus P of A intersection C minus P of A intersection B intersection C. P of A intersection B intersection C by P of A by P of A. Now P of A intersection B intersection C value is 0. Now P of A minus P of A intersection B, P of A into P of B plus P of A into P of C minus 0 by P of A. Okay, now here P of A is common. 1 minus P of B minus P of C by P of A. Okay, P of A cancel. 1 minus P of B minus P of C. 1 minus P of C means P of C bar minus P of B, or 1 minus P of B means P of B bar minus P of C. Okay, now here P of B bar minus P of C is not there. P of C bar minus P of B. Option 4 is the correct one. Option 4 is the correct one. Next one, limit x tends to 0, tan pi by 4 plus x power 1 by x. Now limit x tends to 0, limit x tends to a, f of x power g of x is equal to e power limit x tends to a, f of x minus 1 into g of x, f of x minus 1 into g of x. Okay, now according to this one, okay, now e power limit x tends to 0, 1 by x into tan pi by 4 plus x minus 1. Okay, now e power limit x tends to 0, 1 by x into tan a plus b, 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x minus 1. Now e power limit x tends to 0, okay, 1 by x into, okay, 2 tan x by 1 minus tan x 2 tan x by 1 minus tan x. Now e power limit x tends to 0, tan x by x into 2 by 1 minus tan x. 2 by 1 minus tan x. Okay, now e power that is equal to e power limit x tends to 0, tan x by x value is 1, 1 into now 2 by tan 1 minus 0. Okay, now e square. Option 2 is the correct one. Next one, if f of x be a quadratic polynomial such that f of x is equal to 0 has a root 3 and f of 2 plus f of minus 1 equal to 0, then other root lies in. Okay, let f of x be a polynomial. Let f of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, since f of 2 plus f of minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, f of 2 means 4a plus 2b plus c plus a plus a minus b plus c. Now that value is equal to 5a plus b plus 2c is equal to 0. Now equation 1. Okay, now one root is 3. 3 is the root of this one, f of x. Now f of 3 is equal to, now 9a plus 3b plus c is equal to 0. Now equation 2. Okay, now a, b, c values are now a by a, b, c by cross multiplication method. Now 1, 2, 1, 2, 5, 1, 5, 1. Next 3, 1, 3, 1, 9, 3, 3, 1, 9, 3. Okay, now a by 1 minus 6, now b by 18 minus 5, now c by 15 minus 9. Okay, now a by minus 5, okay, b by 13, now c by 6. Okay, now f of x is equal to, now f of x is equal to minus 5x square plus 13x plus 6. Okay, now sum of the roots alpha beta is equal to, alpha beta is equal to minus 13 by minus 5 means 13 by 5. 13 by 5. Okay, alpha beta value is 13 by 5. Okay, now beta value is 5 is given. Now beta value minus b by a minus 13 by 5. Okay, product of the roots, sorry. Minus 6 by product of the roots 6 by minus 5, c by a. Okay, now beta, one of the root are given 3. Now alpha into 3 is equal to, or now 3 into beta is equal to 6 by minus 5. Okay, now beta is equal to minus 2 by 5, minus 2 by 5. Now belongs to minus 1 comma 0. Therefore, option 1 is the correct one. Option 1 is the correct. Next one, if ABC belongs to R such that A cube plus B cube plus C cube equal to 2 and det of ABC, BCA, CAB equal to 0, then the value of ABC. Now, det of ABC, BCA, CAB is equal to 0. Find det. Now A into BC minus A square minus B into B square minus AC plus C into AB minus C square equal to 0. Okay, now ABC minus A cube minus B cube plus ABC plus ABC minus C cube equal to 0. Okay, now 3ABC is equal to A cube plus B cube plus C cube. Now ABC is equal to A cube plus B cube plus C cube by 3. Now here A cube plus B cube plus C cube value is 2. Now is equal to 2 by 3. Therefore ABC value is 2 by 3. Option 1 is the correct one.